This will be a very quick tutorial showing how to get to Google Draw and then draw and save an image, and that image you'll be able to upload to the learning management system. So I don't even have to own the application. What I can do is just come up here and I'm just going to put in a quick search for Google Draw, and then I will go ahead and click into it. And this actually populates in your Google Drive if you're familiar with that, but you won't even have to open the Google Drive, because once you save it, you'll be able to then save it to your desktop and upload it immediately. So what I do here is I just have to come up to this little drop down, and I'm going to choose that I want to either scribble or draw straight lines. So it turns out that I want to draw lines because I know the document what I want to draw. I want to draw this fairly simple diagram and perhaps another line. Now this is pretty sloppy, but on the other hand, it's probably adequate for the purposes for a lot of these chemistry diagrams and molecular structures. Now if I need to label this, once again, not a problem, but every time I use the text box, I use the text box just once, and then I'm done with it. I click outside of that. Now I will have to choose the text box a second time. There isn't any subscript, so if you need that, you won't be able to do it in Google Draw, but if your instructors ask you to use this, the likelihood is that they recognize the shortcomings of the application. That said, I'm going to come up here, I'm going to label this, and now it exists on Google Drive, but that's not adequate. I want to go ahead and save this, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to go download it as a JPEG or a PNG. I'm going to choose PNG. Either of those should work fine. I'm going to save this on my desktop so I find it. Look, it's already being named Molecule 1. So that's all there is to that. So now I'm just going to come over here to the corner and hit save. So in the LMS, you'll see there's this section that says you can drop and drag files there. So I'm going to come over here to where I know I've saved that on my desktop. I'm just going to drag it in there, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to do another one. Imagine this were a different answer, so that I want to finish the attempt. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much.